2-day kayaking trip here. We got minimal stuff here, minimal food, minimal shelter. For the shelter, we got our hammocks. We're gonna set up hammocks, we're gonna sleep, and we're gonna continue tomorrow. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu, everybody. This is Deen, your brother in Deen. There's brother Najal right there behind me. Not sure if you could see him. Hold on. Right there, right there. This is beautiful scenery here. We have about, I think, 40 miles, because we drove 30 miles from my house up here. We probably got 10 more miles down, but the river kind of curves too, so I'm taking 40 miles at minimum here. And we can do easily 5 miles an hour, so we're gonna be doing for like 5 hours a day. And it's gonna be fun, man. It's about 60 degrees. It's a little windy too. We got a little bit of wind coming from our backs over here. It's kind of working in our favor. We have been afloat for about 2 hours right now. We are grabbing a lunch here. We got some pre-made sandwiches. We pre-made sandwiches last night. So right here we have a summer sausage. I have mayonnaise on mine, and I have pepper jack cheese. Good stuff. Look at this. We've been afloat for about 3 hours right now. We've been coming across a lot of these trees the water kind of threw on the banks over here. A lot of these trees here. We are making good progress here. Very good. And as you can hear down there, the water, this water is actually fast, man. Yeah, we just had those rapids over there, man. They were fast too. Really nice.
Yeah.
Really nice. So we got our little snacks now. We have about an hour left to our half point, and then we're gonna be looking for a place to park for the night. Take a break, get a little fire going, set up our hammocks. This will be my first time sleeping in a hammock, so I'm not sure how well that's gonna work. Let's see this guy here. What up, dog?
This guy, yeah. On your left, actually right.
Yeah, it's been enjoyable. The weather is still the same as it was, cloudy. We might get some rain, might not, but we don't care. I think we'll be okay. Even if you have to set up the camp right now, it will be good.
Yeah.
For tomorrow.
Yeah.
And even if you have to wait it out, that's okay. What do you think about my selfie stick?
Oh man, det är hans troligt.
You know what they say? Where there is a will, there is a way. We got a really good canopy over here. Just in case if it rains. We gotta hold that tree over here for firewood. We don't have to walk far away.
It's not far away.
Enjoying it here. Fire is going. We got our kayaks right there. The edge of the water. And this is gonna be a good night sleeping here, man. Good night sleeping. So right here, and right here, we're gonna have our hammocks right there. So we're gonna go ahead and get that set up. It's about 7 o'clock at night. So we're gonna get that set up before it gets dark. Bro, sleeping in this is gonna be fun, bro.
Oh man, this is going to be so comfy.
I know, man. Got our chicken there. Brother Najad is driving our post in there. So I went through this before, guys. As you can see over here, Brother Najad made a little notch in there.
Thingy.
And I got a little notch over here on my skew. So that's how we're gonna be cooking these chickens and turning them. Right now, I'm gonna go ahead and season these chickens. And we're gonna go ahead, put them on there to cook. There you be, guys. That's how it's gonna go. We're gonna go ahead, set it to cook. What's for dinner? Chicken is for dinner. Got good coals going on there. This chicken is gonna be done in no time. And I'm actually getting hungry too. I bet Brother Najad is there as well. You, Brother Najad, you getting hungry?
Yeah, a little bit.
Dinner is coming soon, inshallah. Najad, what do you got there, man?
I got my sleeping quarters set up. And I'm not hungry anymore, guess.
Look at that.
Man, this is so good. I love it.
I told you you're gonna like it.
Man, I love this.
Our dinner is done, you guys. This is what we are having for dinner. Couple of chickens. We got beans, cans of beans, and we got bread. We got a good fire going on over there. Look at this. Look how good this is here. There's the beans. Our little hammocks here. And we are ready to dig in. So let's dig in. See you guys either tomorrow or I might record a little bit more later, so we'll see. It's 5 o'clock in the morning. We had to abandon our little huts here. We had to abandon it actually a long time ago. It's so cold, we have to be around the fire, man. And we were not prepared to be in those little, those things are for summer. They're really good for summer. But it's like 40 degrees here right now and it's cold. And you'll be amazed what people do to get some sleep. Well, we got good fire here. Really good fire. Got my bag there, using as a pillow. Got my little matches over here. Shield from the wind. A nice cozy fire. Brother Najad snores so much. You can't fall asleep.
Even if you want to.
Yep. We got a coffee making here. Everything's there. There you go. Beautiful coffee here. Here we are, packing up everything. Brother Nejad is gonna make us sandwiches to go. This is day number 2. This is gonna be final stretch. We were up around the fire all night. But that's okay. I would do it again. This was fun. Very fun. Alright, we'll see you guys on the water. There's our kayaks, my bag, and this is where we have to get in the water. Right down there. That's how we got out. So we're gonna go down the steep hill and get in the water. Brother Nejad is packing his. I gotta pack mine on mine here. My sandwiches and get going, inshallah. You ready, Brother Nejad? I'm in the water, and Brother Nejad, he's trying to get in right now. Great success.
Oh, yeah. What kind of dog is that? Let's get out of here.
Let's get rolling, brother. It's 1:30 afternoon, and we are about halfway there to our destination. That's what's going on today. Good times, a little tired, sleep deprived, but we keep on keeping on. Somebody's coming here behind me. Oh yeah. Who's this guy?
Look at this guy. That's not nice.
Not nice.
Catching a free ride.
Here we are, guys. We are done. We exited about, what, 5-10 miles before we were supposed to?
Yeah, something like that.
We kind of misestimated the time and the distance. So we are out, we are done. There are kayaks. A river behind us here. We had fun, but we are tired, man. Sleepless. That's it. Until next time. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.
Assalamu alaikum.